Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to fix Google Chrome reload issues. If Google Chrome keeps reloading pages unexpectedly, it is usually caused by memory issues, browser settings, or problematic extensions, or when a tab becomes unresponsive. Start by closing unused tabs and restarting Chrome. To free up memory, you can also check the Chrome Task Manager to see if a specific tab or extension is using too many resources. You can also go to Settings, then navigate to System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Then relaunch Chrome. Next, go to About Chrome and make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. You can also reset the system settings to their original defaults to restore normal behavior without removing your saved data. Extensions are another common reason. Click on Extensions, select any extension you suspect, remove it from Chrome, and test until you find the culprit. In this tutorial, we learned why Chrome may reload pages and how memory usage, extensions, or browser settings can cause this issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.